Hello everyone, my name is May, and in this short video, I will be explaining the process of installing SQL Server. I hope you find this video helpful. So first of all, you need to download SQL Server online. If you are a student at George Mason University, then you can download it for free through DreamSpark. Open the file you downloaded by right-clicking on Setup, then open it as an administrator. You will get a message that says, "Please wait while Microsoft SQL Server 2014 setup processes the current operation." After SQL processes the operation, window 3 is going to appear. Click on Installation on the left corner of this window. Then click on the first option which says New SQL Standalone Installation or Add Features to an Existing Installation. So this is the step where you will be asked to enter a product key. So as I mentioned before, if you were a student at George Mason University and purchased SQL through DreamSpark, you won't need to enter the product key because it will automatically be there. But if you purchased it online, then it must come with a product key that will be given after purchase. So all you need to do is click Next and then agree to the terms and click Next as well. So after that, it will go to Updates. Just click the box and then click Next. After that, it will install Setup Files. Let it finish and then click Next. Window 8 will appear. Install Rules and then click Next. After that, Window 9 will appear as well. So choose the first option which says SQL Server Feature Installation and click Next. So after that, window 10 will appear. In this window, you can select the features that you want. It is totally up to you, but if you aren't sure what to choose, then just select Database Engine and Management Tools and then click Next. So after clicking Next, window 11 will appear as you can see. Choose the first option which says Default Instance and then click Next. It will take you to window 12 and you don't really need to add or change anything in the window, so just click Next. So in window 13, you need to click on Add Current User because you want to give authorization to your account. So after doing that, click Next. So now your server is ready to be installed. Double check the list and if everything looks good, click Install. Now your server is being installed, so you just wait for your server to be installed, and after installation process is complete, click Next and then click Close. So now we finished the SQL installation process, but there is one more step that you need to do. So after you are done with the installation, go to the search bar in the left corner in the bottom and type Windows Firewall and click Enter. You will get this window. So what you need to do is go to the list on the left and click on the first option which says Allow an app or feature through Windows Firewall. So after that, click on Change Settings. So I've highlighted the button to make it easier for you to find it, and then click Add another app and a window will appear and then click Browse. After clicking Browse, follow the file sequence that I highlighted. So just go from Windows C and then File and then follow the same sequence until you get to this folder which says bin. So after that, choose SQL, just highlight it and then click Next. So after selecting it, this window will pop. So you need to click on the application that we just added and then just click Add. And now we are done with the SQL installation. I hope you found this video helpful and Thank you for watching and listening.